Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. In this trading session, we will try to take a couple of trades. I'm waiting for this trade to come to my point so I can enter. This is a common point of rejection trade. You can see market has a lot of rejections. So basically we draw a common line between the most rejections we can and then we wait for it to come up. It's coming up right now. Okay, I take my first trade right here. I will enter again if it gives me the chance, okay? We're so close to 100K. It's about to close now. And I'm assuming that inside of this engulfing candle, there's also entries as well. Okay, that was a winning trade. I will check this engulfing candles a lower time. Yes, you see this supply area. That's why we win that trade. And I know, in most cases, engulfings which causing a breakout, they have something inside of them. And what do we mean by something is a supply or demand, just like this. You see? Let me just, okay, this is the bigger one. If you wanted the smaller one, you could go one more step to the lower time frame and adjust your entry based on this one. Okay, in that case, your entry would be on this candle. All right, anyways, we combined the common point of rejection with supply and demand, and we took one trade on this one. Now I'll just move forward and look for other opportunities. Today's market doesn't look very bad. Okay, look at this beautiful QM. See, this is QM pattern, QM zone, lined up with the trend line. This would be a great trade. Let's just check this out. Let's go. When you see a QM pattern like this is the QM pattern. I'm sorry. First thing you need to know is draw the zone. Let's draw the zone. Okay, this is the zone. Then the next thing you need to do, go to the 3 time frame. You see this engulf. All right, so this zone is on an engulfing candle. Next thing you need to do, you go to lower time frame from 30 seconds to 5 seconds, step by one. Do you see anything here? No. Oh, we actually do see a demand area. Look at this. We need fresh demand areas, and this is the fresh demand area. Okay, let me just draw it perfectly. This is how we draw. Look at this area. This is how we draw demand area. Let me just make this red. Okay, so after marking the entry zone, your entry should be exactly when the candle is touching it. Basically, this would be the entry. Okay, so if you found the entry, just take it. Okay, it's always best to go in the direction of the trend as well. So this was a valid QM trade. I'll just keep looking. Sometimes QMs are pretty big. That's why they will not show engulfing candle in 3-minute time frame. That's why you need to go even lower. Okay, so we have an entry down here based on decision point. Let me just mark this area. This is going to be my entry if the price gives me the chance. So basically we have a resistance area and it's broken, creating this demand area. And this is the entry inside of that demand area. If it gives me the chance, I will take it. And the market is actually reacting from an order block. You see this fair value gap here. The candle before is order block. And it's reacting from that one. It's coming to this entry. Then I will take this and keep going up. It's coming to the entry. Come on, one more push and we're in. Let's go. We go 2 trades. In order to take this type of trades, make sure you are on flag mode because you cannot take this on timer mode, okay? Did you see that? There was about 15 seconds remaining of this candle and we took the trade and our trade still closed on the candle close. But if you look here, we have 2 types of timer. If we were taking the trade on this one, on 1 minute, it would count down for 1 minute. It wouldn't care about the candle's remaining seconds, okay? That's why we don't like timer. We always like flag mode, okay? On 1 minute, of course. And also make sure the third part of your flag mode is on 0. If this is not on 0, your trade will not close on the candle close, okay? So that was another trade. Let's just go forward. Let's just keep moving. Okay, this is another QM setup. You see that? Which is pretty big. All right. Now this area, this is the first trade we took, right? Now this area is broken strongly. It's turning this supply area to a demand area now. You see, price channel has been broken. Previous supply, which causing this drop. Okay. Now it's broken strongly. So it's showing me something has changed in this market. And now it's trying to change the direction of itself. So next time price comes back to this area, since now it's a point of interest for us, next time it will react from this. Okay. God knows when it will come, but in most cases, I would say it goes up and drops significantly and then goes even higher. It picks the bars down here. In fact, there's a breakout. Okay, let me just take this very small, okay? Okay, since the market direction seems to change, but we have a supply right here, and we combine that supply with this third touch breakout setup. We also have lower low after the first touch. Okay, that's why I'm taking this. Slightly we have gap up, but in general, this is against the direction of the market. Because if you look, the bigger picture also shows us a double bottom down here. Okay, most likely it's going to play like this, go until top. That's why I took this very small compared to my normal trade, because most likely it can keep going up. But 200 doesn't hurt. It's on a supply area. That's my main confirmation for this trade. Otherwise, it would be a bad trade. Yeah, there we go. Oh my god, that was close. All right, the supply did the job. And now I'm not sure if it will hold it. If it holds it, price will eventually come down to our right here, this point of interest, and then still start going up again. So this is basically the movement, creating a QM, breaking a price channel, and then like this. But I don't know if it will do it. We just need to wait and see how what's gonna happen, right? This is only achievable by spending so much time on the charts without trading. Do not deposit your savings onto real account. Do not blow it up. Just go to the demo first. Try for months. Okay, I'm not saying go to the demo, take a couple of trades. Of course, you're gonna win some huge money in demo, but it's so different from real account. And then you will go back to real account and you will mess up. And that's a common story. All right. So go to the demo first. There's free link in the description for demo, $10,000 demo account. Also 100% bonus for it. Try it out. Do not go to the live account just from watching a video, okay? Another third touch breakout, just as the previous setup, but this time, this is pretty different because we don't have other confirmations, right? It would be a blind trade if I take this. That's why I'm not going to take this. All right, finally. All right, we have a demand area. Do you see that? Look at this huge movement. Who's causing that? This demand area. Do we have fair value gap? Yes, currently it's reacting from fair value gap. This is the order block. price comes down inside of this, it's going to be a very good point of interest for us. Okay. So let me just mark this area real quick. We're only 4K far from our target. This is the first time I'm trying 100K. And after this 100K, I will try to manage a huge competition with $30,000 for the winner. Only first winner, hopefully. Alright, we don't have entry at the lower time frame, unfortunately. Yes, we do have. We do have. I'm just mark this zone right inside of this. Make this red. Now, all we want is the price to come down to this red area. Okay. Come down to this red area. And I will take my trade. You know, this little doji break worked here. And it's in line with this fair value gap. So I would probably take this, which I didn't see this when it was happening. It would be a good trade. But you know, the better trade would be if it coming down and then would go up crazy, picking up the buyers on this red zone. Come on. By the way, just a quick reminder that the special offer for mentorship for only those who interested for learning my concepts, it's about to close soon. If you're interested to join with discounted amount for 0 to Hero mentorship, just check the first link in the description. That's the Telegram channel, and then you can see the details and everything. Alright, if you remember when I was explaining this trade, I think this was our very first trade when I was starting this session, if you remember. Broke the price channel, created QM, right? And now, touching the QM, going to next supply, which will be somewhere up here. Okay, so the direction is with the buyers right now. If I see a buy setup, I will just hop in. I see no setup, boys. Look at this. We missed all the good setups. QM in line with trend line. I don't know, I've just... Okay. No, we missed this one as well. This is also on a QM zone. You see that? So in general, this is a buying area. If it gives me the chance, I will take it. Okay, let me just take one entry right here. I know that's a bad entry, but I just like to take this trade. In case if we lose it, I will have to take a break and then I'll be back for better setups because the market is empty right now. There's no good setup. All right. That was good. Now, look at this. Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me draw this. How many QMs do you see here? Worked once. And then it created another buy QM itself. Worked here. The price was coming from this demand in line with this QM setup. Created another QM, which worked. How beautiful was that? Another common point of rejection I missed. Oh my god, this is okay. I go 3 trades on this one. Better entry would be here. I never catch the better entries. So basically this is in line with, you already know, supply area where the sellers love to enter. Common point of rejections, multiple rejections from this line, and a wedge. Basic market structure. Everything in line. Hopefully we're gonna hit the 100 after this. Come on. 8 seconds. I will just stop after hitting 100k. There we go. No, we didn't. We need 2 more. We actually need 1 more. Oh my god, we missed this trade. Holy sh. If you remember, when I was marking this trade, market was somewhere here. Finally came and closed exactly on our entry. So this would be the best entry, right? This would be the best trade to take. And from the shape of this candle, I can tell it was fluctuating right here and then closed exactly in the last seconds here, which makes this trade even better. Sign of exhaustion. All right, anyways, let me just move forward. Oh, we have a doji trade, but it's already late. It's kind of risky if I take this. I'm not taking it. This order block is not valid. That's why I'm not taking it. All right, this was beautiful. No, it's not valid. It's not causing anything. Plus, it's coming from QM area. Okay, it's coming from QM area. So taking this doji break would be very bad, right? As you can see, it would be a losing trade unless you would take your entries exactly on this order block before this fair value gap. It would be better, but in general, the price is coming from a QM buy, so it's against the direction if you take it. This session is pretty long. I wasn't expecting. Okay, I'm taking it. Let's go. Don't tell me if that's a... Okay. We hit the... No way, bro. One more. I think we didn't hit because of this freaking percentage, man. One more. All right, I see some beauty down here. Come on. Load this shit. I'm entering right now. Didn't even see the entry to... Okay, yeah, that we have entry. Let's just go one more. Give me the rejection. Oh my god, bro. We messed up. I mean, the decision point already consumed here, right? That's why I think it didn't really work right here. Because, you know, there's no point on this demand area. The actual cause of this breakout is this one, which already played out. Alright, we messed up. I think I'm going to stop right here because I don't think... I mean, we have to hold it for next session. Thank you for watching, everybody. I currently took so many trades. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, man. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel, and peace out.